In this video, I am about to show you how to easily learn Galician in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or visit the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address or sign in with your Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the language you want to learn. Now scroll to the list and choose Galician. Next, Memrise will ask you about your learning goals. This allows you to decide how much time you want to spend learning each day. You can choose a short duration like 5 minutes or a longer session depending on your availability. After setting your goals, Memrise will guide you through some introductory Galician lessons. You'll begin by learning basic vocabulary, including greetings, numbers, and common phrases. Memrise uses flashcards, images, and audio to help you memorize words and understand their pronunciation. As you progress, you will learn more advanced vocabulary, grammar rules, and sentence structures in Galician. The app also provides practice exercises to help reinforce your learning and improve your speaking and listening skills. If you want to access additional features, such as offline learning or more advanced exercises, you can choose to subscribe to Memrise Pro. To make your learning experience smoother, try to practice regularly. You can track your process and adjust your learning goals anytime in the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.